Misogynist, a person who hates marriage. She was a misogynist and didn't believe in the idea of marriage. Misogynist. Misogynist. She doesn't want to get married because she's a misogynist. Misogynist. A person who hates women. He was a misogynist who never listened to women's ideas. Misogynist. Misogynist. Her manager, who was a misogynist, always degraded women. Misandrist. A person who hates men. Everyone called her a misandrist when she blamed all the men for the problem. Misandrist. Misandrist. As a misandrist, she rarely treated men well. Narcissist. A person overly obsessed with themselves. The narcissist spent hours admiring himself in the mirror. Narcissist. Narcissist. He was a narcissist who couldn't stop admiring his own achievements. Extrovert. A highly social and outgoing person. As an extrovert, she made friends wherever she went. Extrovert. Extrovert. The extrovert loved being around people and attending social events. Introvert. Someone who prefers being alone over socializing. The introvert enjoyed quiet weekends reading books. Introvert. Introvert. He was an introvert, always preferring to stay home rather than go out. Pessimist. A person who always expects the worst. The pessimist thought the weather would ruin their picnic. Pessimist. Pessimist. He's such a pessimist that he never believes good things will happen. Hypocrite. Someone who does the opposite of what they say. He was a hypocrite, claiming to support honesty but constantly lying. Hypocrite. Hypocrite. She accused him of being a hypocrite after he blamed her for something he did himself. Skeptic. A person who questions everything and doesn't believe easily. As a skeptic, she didn't believe the rumors without proof. Skeptic. Skeptic. The skeptic doubted the truth of the mysterious story. Altruist. A selfless person who helps others without expecting anything in return. The altruist spent her days helping at the local shelter. Altruist. Altruist. As an altruist, he was always the first to volunteer for charity work. Resilience. The ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Despite facing multiple failures, her resilience helped her achieve success. Resilience. Resilience. His resilience helped him get through tough times. Perfectionist. Someone who wants everything to be flawless. She was a perfectionist, always making sure every detail was perfect. Perfectionist. Perfectionist. As a perfectionist, he couldn't submit his work until it was flawless. Hedonist. Someone who seeks pleasure above all else. The hedonist spent most of his days at parties. Hedonist. Hedonist. She's a hedonist who believes life is all about enjoying the moment. Misanthrope. Someone who hates everyone. The misanthrope lived alone in the mountains, far from others. Misanthrope. Misanthrope. He was a misanthrope who didn't enjoy social gatherings. Philanthropist. A person who donates money or time to help others. The philanthropist donated millions to fund schools in poor areas. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. He became a philanthropist after selling his company. Stoic. Someone who remains calm and unemotional in tough situations. The Stoic soldier didn't show any fear during the battle. Stoic. Stoic. Even in hard times, she remained stoic and kept her emotions in check. Nihilist. A person who believes life has no meaning. The nihilist believed nothing mattered in life. Nihilist. Nihilist. Nobody understood the nihilist's belief about life having no purpose. Egomaniac. Someone obsessed with their own importance. The egomaniac always boasted about her achievements. Egomaniac. Egomaniac. As an egomaniac, he hardly ever congratulated others for their accomplishments. Chauvinist. Someone extremely biased towards their own group or country. The chauvinist always believed that only her country was the best. Chauvinist. Chauvinist. The chauvinist refused to accept other cultures. Idealist. Someone who dreams of a perfect world, even if unrealistic. He's an idealist who believes in a world without war. Idealist. Idealist. She's an idealist who dreams of solving all the world's problems. Bigot. Someone intolerant of different opinions or people. He was a bigot who refused to accept anyone from a different background. Bigot. Bigot. The bigot's intolerant behavior was hated by everyone, so no one worked with him.
If you liked the video, comment down below. Goodbye!